How to fix packet loss and high ping in Overwatch. Ping spiking mid-match, packets dropping in the corner, shots registering late, and your internet test comes back fine. Could be constant high ping, could be random spikes, could be packet loss ticking up right when it matters. I went through this. It comes down to one of three things. Here's how to clear it. Most of the time, it's something else on your PC eating your connection while you play. Windows Update, OneDrive, Steam downloading in the background. They compete directly with your game packets without showing up as an obvious usage. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. If Task Manager opens small, click More Details. Click the Network column to sort by usage. Anything above 1 to 2 Mbps while you're gaming is the problem. Right-click anything using bandwidth and hit End Task. Common ones include Windows Update, OneDrive, browser tabs with video. Jump back into Overwatch and check the ping counter. If it's holding steady, you're done. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. Helps the next person find this. Still spiking? This one targets packet loss directly. Windows can build up routing errors over time, and slow DNS servers add latency on top of that. Flushing the stack forces a clean path. This won't touch your settings or files. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Type each of these and hit Enter after every one. netsh, winsock, reset, netsh, int, ip, reset, ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. Each one confirms it ran. When they're all done, restart your PC. Come back, open Overwatch, and watch the packet loss indicator. It should be gone. Not fixed yet? Your ISP's DNS servers might just be slow. Switching to Cloudflare takes 30 seconds. Press Windows plus I, click Network and Internet on the left, then click your active connection, Properties, hit Edit next to DNS Server Assignment, switch from Automatic to Manual, and toggle IPv4 on. Preferred DNS 1.1.1.1, alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. Hit Save, open Overwatch. Your base ping should drop within the first 30 seconds. That covers the main fixes for packet loss and high ping in Overwatch. Background bandwidth first, then the network stack, then DNS. Work through them in order. Back in? Let me know below. If none of these got it, drop exactly what you're seeing. Constant packet loss, random spikes, or a high base ping that won't move. I read every comment. More network issues, Discord cutting out, slow downloads, Wi-Fi dropping. I've got those on the channel.